YouTube channel. This is the third part of using Aki-Rig Actor Core, and this software is amazing for rigging, fast rigging, and exactly amazing. So just let's play this animation over here, for example. And as you can see, we have this amazing animation done using this Aki-Rig. Also, we have different other positions and animations. For example, let's try this animation as shown here. Try this animation also, and you can see our rigging. It's pretty amazing as shown here in our tutorial. Let me show you something interesting. When you finalize your model, we have these different steps from loading character until you check animation, and using some examples over there, and you see what we have here for your animation. You can export your model. So let's stop animation, and you can upload also to Actor Core, or to export it, click on this button, no internet connection. So if you want to export it, you should connect to internet in order to export it. So also we have the hand. Let me show you something for animation, hand animation. So just we have here hand animation. If we want to play around, the body animation as shown here, and the pose, and you can review whatever you want. And this software is pretty amazing. You can try it if you want to rig your characters very fast and using much more accuracy. It's better than Mixamo and very fast. It's pretty amazing. You can also donate and support this community for their efforts to make this rigging software. Thanks for watching.